In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix group join problem on the Facebook app. So this is how I fixed it. I firstly closed the Facebook app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app right here, as you can see. So now when you're on this page, we're just going to scroll down in here and then click on general. So now on the general tab here, you're going to click on storage, or for me it says iPhone storage, but if you have an Android, it's going to say probably Android storage or something similar to that. Now on this page, you're just going to swipe up like this and click on search right here. Search for Facebook and click on the Facebook app. Now on this page, just simply click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds now and then click on the reinstall app button. So basically what you need to do now, I'm just going to close this page now. You're going to wait for your Facebook app to completely update to its latest version. And then when it's done, you're going to go back to the app and try once again. So this actually fixed it for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.